It's lovely to have a wall of roses, but my word, there's some deadheading to carry on here. And the important thing is that there's plenty of buds. So if you look, even a cluster like this, you've got deads, you've got a dead one there, a dead one here, and a dead one there, but just look at the buds that have got to come. Now the other secret that I just took one off by mistake, which does happen, but what you can do, and it's something that I'm inclined to do, if we go around here and have a look at this one, you see that bloom there? Look, it's nearly finished. That will last about another 2 days. Take that out as well. And that way, you're cutting down the work for your next time. But I mean, there's just loads in here. And if you don't give the buds a chance to actually, you know, to come forth, you know, you're not going to get much of a show. So there, that's how to keep deadheading. I call it my wall of roses, but really it's a climbing rose. Yeah.